Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beats. So today I decided to go to the market and buy some stuff. Today, as you can see, the day today is 22nd, yesterday of December 2023. Everywhere is empty. I even passed the bank. Unlike before, you will see people everywhere shopping, cashing, and this time was around 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and I was heading to the market to buy some stuffs to stock up the house. Right now, I am in the market to get some things, and the sellers are there looking. There are no buyers. The scarcity of this cash is affecting everybody. This is not how market used to be. This is not how the market used to be in Warri City. I've been in this town for 3 good years. I remember last year there was a stampede on this particular date. Nigerians are suffering. See fish, see everything, no buyers. Definitely people will buy, but there is high inflation of things. There is no money. Even for you to be able to get the money that you have in the bank is also a problem. Yesterday, I collected a 30,000 naira with 1,000 naira from a POS so that I can be able to buy a few things in the market. This is not good at all. And even when you go to the bank to use the POS, use their machine, ATM machine, there's no cash there to collect your money. Look at, this is not how this market used to be. No buyers. The sellers are frustrated. They are. If someone complained to me about her market, they have been frustrated. They are frustrated. Unbelievable. This is a Christmas market, honestly, and they have only one day for the market. The next day is Sunday, and Christmas is on Monday. Well, we pray that things get better. Things should get better. Things should get better. I know how this place used to be. I know how these places used to be. There's so much space here right now. Before, you will not even see any space. Honestly, there will be no space. So I think the government should try and do something about this scarcity of money. How can I still have my money in the bank and I can't pick them? I remember someone has said something about don't keep money in the bank. I don't know where else we can keep our money, sure? I know even if you invest, some transfers, some businesses are done still on transfers online. They still need to transfer your money to the bank. So, but right now the bank is failing its own citizens. So we don't know which way to go. The person that sang which way Nigeria, I think that person was really right. Now I try to understand so many things, but it's a difficult situation right now to be able to understand certain things. Wow. Now there are goods to buy. See this plantain, but there are no buyers. See fresh plantain, no buyers. They are all sitting down watching, thinking what will happen in the next minute. I have money, but I can't use my money. It's not a good one. It is not a good one. It's not a good one. Look at everywhere is so dry in this market. Well, I wish the government can do better. Let people have access to their money. Let people have access to their cash. And if you want to buy something, the goods are also expensive. Things have skyrocketed, gotten way higher up for people to be able to buy. Things are expensive. There's no cash, and things are very, 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 very expensive, guys.
Where they shoot? Happy Christmas. Why everywhere is that like this? Christmas never reach. You know, be the way why I expect them. Maybe tomorrow or day too rowdy. Although time still there, sure. No, what I mean, today never go. This is just around 1. Because I know how the road they be. You don't even be like that, sir. The way I they see it before. You know by mama. What? I come out and tell you. Let me 2.5. Come out and give 2.5. Come, go.
Five.